Welcome to my channel. I am going to check the blood sugar effect of this cowpea or black eye beans on my blood sugar. I have been suffering from diabetes for almost 39 years, so I am controlling with only tablets without taking insulin. So I like to experiment with new things and how they affect my blood sugar level. So that might help somebody else who is also suffering from diabetes. So there is 100 grams of cowpea or black eye beans, and I have put 140 grams of or 150 milliliters of hot water, so that makes it little bit quick to cook. And then I am going to use a pressure cooker to cook it. We'll see, I am putting about 8 minutes to cook, and if it is not cooked well, I might have to increase. We'll see how it goes, but I like it not to be sort of soggy level, but little bit crunchy. We'll see how it goes. You can cook in a regular open stove in about 20 minutes. This is a Philips pressure cooker. This is wrong. Australian cowpea has only about 18% per dry weight carb. Red cowpea is even better, 14 grams of carb. They are rich source of vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber and antioxidants. Okay, now let me show you. Bring it little bit closer. So I will select pressure cook here and then go to, by pressing this again, I can go to manual. This is manual, and then I will increase the cooking time to 8 minutes, and then press the start button. So it will prompt me in 8 minutes, and we'll see how it is going. Okay, so it has finished cooking. So it is now with the light keep warm. So it is only keeping warm. So one thing I should not forget is to release the pressure, otherwise it could be dangerous. So I am using something like a pen. Yeah, I think it's okay. So we'll open and see. Need to keep this one somewhere here. Keep this one away. And this is how it looks. It is not soggy, that is ideal. So I like that. And basically if you make it soggy or too soft, then it will get absorbed very quickly, and that means your blood sugar will rise very quickly. So this is the ideal time. Ideal time is about 8 minutes. So there is 100 grams, so I will eat half and my wife will eat the other half. We'll see what are we going to eat with. This is going to be my lunch today. We'll see. There is the cowpea or black eyed peas, and there is little bit of canned fish, and there is some bitter melon made as a curry. Bitter melon also helps diabetes, so it is it helps to reduce the blood sugar. There is some bok choy. I don't know what they call, but I stir fry them a little bit. And then there is the what is called kimchi, a Korean dish, sort of fermented, and that is my lunch. We'll see the blood sugar and then we will check the blood sugar again. after the meal, maybe about 2 hours after the meal. To reduce my after meal blood sugar, I also go for a walk about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the time you have. If you shake your hand and stand up, it makes it a little bit easier to get the blood, rather than pricking the finger too hard. Now blood is ready, the machine is ready. 7.1, that's not bad. 7.1 is about 128 in American system. Okay, we'll see after the lunch and maybe in 2 hours time. Okay, we'll see what happened to my blood sugar after eating 50 grams of black cowpea beans. This is what I had. It is an Australian product. I cooked 50 grams. They have 19 grams of carbohydrate in 100 grams, so it is comparatively low to compare to most of the other foods. So it is cheaper than buying low carb breads, because when you cook 100 grams you get almost 200 grams. We'll check the blood sugar. Machine is ready, finger is ready. 7.6, so that is about 137. So it has gone up little bit, but it is all right. So it is, as long as the values are less than 9, or 7.1 was the previous reading. Current reading is 7.6, so they are very good values. So even though I had diabetes for almost 39 years, so I can control with good plant-based foods. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please click the like button. Thank you very much. Click and watch one of the videos you see above, and that will help you get into better health. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.